Hello everybody, Chef Blaise here from Pacific Rim. I'm making one of my favorite dishes, pork and watercress. These are some of the ingredients here. Got tofu, lapchong, some fresh ginger, salted duck egg, some garlic, and of course the pork, watercress, and aloha gold. All right, starting off with some of the pork that you're gonna cook. Whenever you're cutting meat, you always wanna cut across the grain. As you can see the grain is coming this way here. So when you cut the meat, you make your cut across that way. That way it doesn't bind up on you. Nice thin cuts like this. Once it finishes cooking, it'll have a nice bite to it. I pre-cut some over here in a little dish. All I've done is add a little bit of aloha gold inside of this and some fresh garlic here. Mix that in and marinate for 5 minutes. All right, pork and watercress. First, we're gonna get our pan nice and hot. Add a little oil. We'll take our pork that's been marinating in the aloha gold. Put some of that in there. We want to cook this thing out to where a lot of the liquid comes out. The aloha gold that's marinated inside the pork will caramelize, give it a nice little color. I've got some garlic inside this already. I'm going to add just a touch more. I'm also going to add just a touch of granulated garlic and black pepper. We'll let that cook off just a bit more. We're going to add a little bit of onions. A little touch of oyster sauce and aloha gold. At this point, we add the lapchong sausage. Get that emulsified. Fresh ginger. A bit of a bite. At this point, we'll take the watercress, drop it right on top. Let that sear in. Add some tofu right on top of this, and a touch more of the aloha gold. All right, looks like we're done here. Take this over to the plate. Get that pork and watercress right on top of that hot rice. Don't forget the lapchong, sweet Chinese sausage, delicious. All right, and we'll top this off. We're gonna scoop out the salted duck egg, top off our dish right there. We're ready to eat. Pork and watercress with salted duck egg using aloha gold. Chef Blaise, Pacific Rim. This is pork and watercress with salted duck egg using aloha gold. Enjoy.